Hello everyone. So today I will give you a simple comparison between what is a nerve pain and what is a muscle pain. The type of nerve pain that we generally feel is a sharp shooting, tingling pain. On the other hand, the type of a muscle pain that we generally feel can be a dull ache, soreness or a stiffness related pain. So the location of a nerve pain is generally it follows a nerve pathway that it can be radiating towards your arms or legs. On the other hand, the location of a muscle pain can be localized or generalized to a particular muscle group, such as upper back, lower back, thigh, shoulder, calves, etc. So, the trigger factors for a nerve pain can be compression or irritation of the nerve root. On the other hand, the trigger factor for the muscle pain can be overuse injury, poor posture, any strain or sprain of the muscle. Common associated symptoms with nerve-related pain is tingling, numbness, pins and needles, weakness. On the other hand, associated symptoms with a muscle-related pain can be tenderness while pressing the muscle, tightness of the muscle, limited range of motion. The relieving factors for a nerve pain may not necessarily be rest or stretching, whereas the relieving factor for a muscle pain can be simple rest or simple stretches. So, example of a nerve-related pain can be sciatica, carpal tunnel syndrome or diabetic neuro. Example of a muscle-related pain can be strain or overuse of a particular muscle, delayed onset of muscle soreness, and myofascial trigger points. In short, once you know the difference, it's much easier to relate to what your body is actually trying to say.